Glass shower door options by ABC Glass and Mirror. There are two groups of glass shower doors: swinging doors and rolling or sliding doors. Swinging door options: single door, inline door and panel, 90-degree, neo-angle, screens, and custom designs. Rolling or sliding door options: inline, 90-degree, and custom designs. Single door. A single door consists of one glass panel which swings on wall hinges or upper and lower pivot hinges. This door can be between 22 and 39 inches wide, and either frameless or semi-frameless. Transoms are available for humidity control on single-door steam enclosures. Inline door and panel. The inline door and panel option include a swinging door and one or more fixed glass panels, depending on the length of the shower and/or your preferences. These enclosures can be frameless or semi-frameless and may be fitted with a transom if desired. 90-degree. A 90-degree enclosure has a swinging glass door and one or more stationary panels arranged in an L shape. These showers are impressive as well as functional, adding to the look of your bathroom, but also to the value of the property. Both frameless and semi-frameless designs are available, and a transom can be included. Neo-angle. A neo-angle enclosure features a swinging door and glass panels that meet at 135-degree angle. The larger and more numerous the panels, the more dramatic and beautiful it will be, enriching the bathroom decor as well as the property value. You can choose frameless or semi-frameless construction, and transoms are available. Screens. A shower screen is a single panel of fixed or swinging glass. These screens can be used for both showers and bathtubs and are available with your choice of square or radius corner. Custom design. Custom design is an open-ended option that fosters your creativity. The enclosure dimensions and angles, the number of glass panels, and so on are all customized to your preferences. These can also be frameless or semi-frameless and may include a transom. Inline rolling or sliding door. An inline rolling or sliding door system is very space efficient. Single-door systems have a moving door beside a fixed glass panel. Double-door systems have two moving door panels. Our frameless options are the 60 roller series single door, 70 roller series single door, 80 roller series single door, dual roller series double door. We also offer the Semi-Frameless By-Pass series double door. 90-degree rolling or sliding door. A 90-degree rolling or sliding door unit consists of a rolling or sliding door system installed with a 90-degree return panel. Our frameless options are the 60 roller series single door, 70 roller series single door, 80 roller series single door, dual roller series double door. We also offer the Semi-Frameless By-Pass series double door. Custom rolling or sliding door. Custom rolling or sliding door designs open up even more possibilities. Our frameless options are the 60 roller series, 70 roller series, 80 roller series, dual roller series, and the Semi-Frameless By-Pass series. Glass shower door options by ABC Glass and Mirror.